Dennis just got the latest track on Hurricane Francis, so let's get right to the AccuWeather Center with more on this. Dennis?
Wendy, we were showing everybody this at 6 o'clock. We were beginning to see a slightly northern little wobble to the center of circulation. I mean, look at Francis. This is as classic of a hurricane as you will ever see. Look at the eye, completely circular. The Hurricane Hunter planes have been flying into it. The pressure is dropping. That means this storm is strengthening, and it is massive. Now, we talked about Charlie in comparison. Charlie was actually a small storm in comparison to this. This covers the state of Florida and then some. And as of the last report, we are still looking at a Category 4 hurricane. The winds have not yet increased. However, certainly we are seeing a very well-defined eye. We are seeing what appears to be a strengthening cycle, and it's quite possible this number could go up over the next 24 hours, and that's 140 mile an hour. It is a solid Cat 4 hurricane, 20.8 north, 67.0 west, and this is an important number. Remember at 6 o'clock, west at 17. Now it is west northwest at 16. So it slowed down just a touch, but more importantly, it is now jogging a little bit to the north, and I believe that is the first sign, the first important sign that we have to monitor, because how quickly this turns is of paramount importance to the Bay Area and, for that matter, the entire state of Florida. This is that projected fan that we've been talking about. And notice that at this point in time, we are now dismissing the possibility of a hard right turn into the Carolinas. Nevertheless, one of our 13 computer models tries to hint at a northerly turn. It's not one that I take a lot of stock in, and in my opinion right now we are looking at a storm that does appear to have its sights set on the state of Florida. But folks, I have to stress one thing. It is the east coast of Florida. Yes, it could cut across the state as a powerful storm, but if there is serious damage from a potential landfall, it would be on the east coast, where the surge of a storm this high could be 16 to 20 feet. Now, we talked about that with Charlie, but this is the real deal. It is a much larger storm than Charlie, and that surge will be a serious impact, not just for anywhere from Daytona, which is where landfall.
Little black dots are the Turks and Caicos Islands in the extreme